Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix USB ports not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the universal serial bus controller section and right click on the USB root hub and select properties. Select Power Management tab and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power and click on OK. Do the same for other USB root tab. And after doing it, now you can check if the problem solved or not. If this does not work, then try method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to right click on the host controller driver and select uninstall device. Do the same for host controller driver. Everything listed are here. And after doing this, just to close stuff here and go ahead and restart the PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If this does not work, then try method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to follow these steps. Unplug the charger from your laptop. Restart your laptop. After restarting, connect your USB to the laptop again. Now you can connect the charger and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.